Here are some important information about Rimac Nevera, is an all-electric hypercar that showcases cutting-edge technology and performance capabilities. Here's a detailed overview. General overview: manufacturer, Rimac Automobili model, Nevera, years of production, introduced in 2021, engine and performance, powertrain, 4 electric motors, 1 for each wheel. Total power, output, approximately 1,914 horsepower, 1,408 kilowatts. Torque, around 2,360 Newton-meters, 1,741 pound-feet. Transmission, single-speed direct drive, 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 1.85 seconds. Top speed, about 258 miles per hour, 412 kilometers per hour. Design and features: body style, 2-door coupe. Dimensions: length, 4,740 millimeters, 186.6 inches. Width, 1,998 millimeters, 78.7 inches. Height, 1,190 millimeters, 46.9 inches. Wheelbase, approximately 2,740 millimeters, 107.9 inches. Weight, approximately 2,150 kilograms, 4,740 pounds. Exterior features: sleek aerodynamic design with active aerodynamics. Carbon fiber monocoque chassis for lightweight strength. Distinctive LED lighting and aggressive styling. Interior seating capacity, 2 passengers. Materials: premium leather, carbon fiber and high-tech materials. Technology: advanced infotainment system with dual touchscreen displays. Connectivity features including smartphone integration and navigation. Customizable ambient lighting and high-quality audio system. Suspension and handling: suspension, adaptive air suspension for improved handling and comfort. Brakes, carbon ceramic brakes for exceptional stopping power. Drive system: all-wheel drive, AWD, for superior traction and stability. Special features: performance focus, designed for extreme performance with a focus on aerodynamics and weight distribution. Battery technology: high-capacity 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack with fast charging capabilities, allowing for rapid recharging. Market and pricing: price. The starting price for the Rimac Nevera is approximately $2.4 million, with limited production making it a highly exclusive vehicle. Conclusion: the Rimac Nevera represents the forefront of electric vehicle technology, combining breathtaking performance with innovative design. As one of the fastest electric cars in the world, it appeals to enthusiasts seeking a unique blend of speed, luxury, and sustainability.